Welcome to the FeedFlow step-by-step guide to changing your settings and turning on out-of-feed notifications. To get to your settings, click on the user icon in the top right-hand corner. In General Settings, you can type in your name, change your time zone, and choose between metric or imperial units. You can also enter in your phone number if you want to receive SMS notifications. Please make sure you see your country's flag next to your number. Always remember to click Save after making changes. Now let's turn on some notifications for empty pipes and inactive auger alerts. Click on Advanced Alert Settings, then look up your barn by name. For each type of alert, you can select how you want to receive notifications. Say I want to receive an SMS alert if FeedFlow detects that a pipe in my bad mock barn has been empty for the last hour. I would go to Empty Pipe Alerts, click the SMS icon, then click Set to turn these on, and type in 1 hour as my threshold. And for inactive augers, I want an SMS alert if my auger has not turned on for 6 hours. Always remember to click Save after making changes. We are also working on sending consumption-related alerts, but these are currently in beta and not available to users. You can also choose to get push notifications for alerts right to your smartphone through our mobile app. Check out the mobile app video to learn more about that. Moving on to the feed desk settings. Here you can choose to turn on feed forecast emails if FeedFlow is recommending feed orders for your barn. Please note, FeedFlow does need access to your delivery data in order to do inventory management. Check out our inventory video or reach out to support to learn more about Feed Desk before turning this feature on.
If you're already set up with feed ordering, you can go ahead and turn on feed forecast emails. FeedFlow will now send you emails with recommended feed orders for your barns. Let's say I'd like to get my emails at 8 a.m. every morning. I want to receive my emails for recommended orders at least 4 days before they're needed at the barn. And I want to receive orders for all of my barns. You can also turn this off and select a subset of your barns instead. I then choose my email format. A daily digest will send me all of my recommended orders for all of my barns in a single email, or I can choose to get 1 email per barn. Finally, I can choose whether I want to receive emails on days without any recommended orders or not. I don't want to clutter up my inbox, so I'm going to leave this off. Always remember to click Save after making changes. And now you're all set up with FeedFlow. Check out our other Getting Started videos to learn more about the webpage and our mobile app.